Alright, y'all, we're going to run Miss Michelle's customized cutting board. 15 spots at $1 a spot. I've got the list here in the comments. 15 spots. Let's copy and go live. At 11:27. It's 11:27. Paste our list. 15 spots. We need a 4 or higher on the dice. We have a 4, that will work. We're going to randomize for the first time at 11:27. After the first time, there are 15 items on our list with Anita on top and Stephanie on bottom. Dice call for 4. So here we go at 11:28. It's 2. 3 after the third time. There are 15 items in our list with Tammy Balls on top and Anita on bottom. Dice call for a 4. So here we go for the last time at 11:28. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 11, Miss Anita Welch, you are the winner. Congratulations. There were 15 items in our list. We randomized 4 times. Dice did call her a 4. And we are done at 11:28. 11:28. So congratulations to spot number 11, Miss Anita Welch.